Hello, Connie here. We are in the Color Me Musical Adagio Piano Book 3. Okay, there's a piano book and a theory book. The way you tell the difference is the little circle. On the piano book, it's green. On the theory book, it's yellow. We are in the piano book, but I hope you've got the theory book so you can follow along. It has worksheets and activities that go right along with what we're learning in this book. So far, on our first lesson, we moved your fingers to different keys, and then we learned the finger numbers, and we talked about keeping your feet flat in front of you, and we talked about how far to scoot back from the piano. And do you remember the challenge from last time? Practicing with a quarter on the back of your hand. You'll have to let me know in the comments how that went, if you could keep it on top there. Okay, today we're going to go on to page 9, page 9 in the book. All right, look at the top. Oh, there's a picture of ice cream cones. There's no picture of where your fingers go on the piano. All that there is kind of a gray circle with a finger number written in it. So now, without the colors or the characters, you need to remember which fingers go where. Same fingers we've been doing for the last 2 lessons. So you should be fine. All this is it still has a reminder. It still has the finger numbers written above most of the notes, not even all the notes anymore. All right, remember when the stems point up, like this. When the stem points up, you're going to play it with the right hand. When the stem points down, you play that with the left hand. So you've got to really watch for half notes that get 2 counts, for the quarter notes that get 1 count, and those little squiggly rests where you say rest. We're going to take ice cream cones, and then on page 10, ice cream sundaes, and then on page 11, ice cream popsicles. Now this one gets a little tricky. Look, you play left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. It just pops back and forth between the hands. But those are our 3 new assignments for this week. It's all things that you knew already, except we're taking all the color away from the fingers and the finger numbers. You got this. All right, you'll have to let me know in the comments how you did. Okay, happy practicing.